Is it a yes or a no for you? Pero ang verdict ko sa akin. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. And it's been a while since nag-upload ako ng content. Parang it's like 1 month ata yung pagitan nung last content ko. So yeah, it's March 2, 2021. And ano oras na ba? Parang alas 8 nata ng gabi ngayon yung recording ko ngayon. So yeah, but today we're gonna be unboxing again another purchase from Lazada. Alam niyo na, nabudol na naman tayo ni Lazada. And kaya tayo nabubudol ni Lazada kasi may mga sale. And then hulaan niyo kung ano to. Well, ayoko naman pahula ng ano. Pero makikita niyo naman sa title ng vlog kung ano ito. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. I purchased, matagal ko na itong minamataan sa Lazada actually. I think magiging okay naman to or tatagal. It's the Haylou Smartwatch. Ito siya. If you can see there. Yan, si Haylou Smartwatch. I think this was dati parang 1499 tapos plus free shipping, plus shipping pa. But today may mga bundled siyang kasama na parang may screen protector na rin siya, and then 1299 lang plus free shipping na siya. So yeah, good deal na yun para sa akin. So in-add to cart and then check out na kagad. So samahan niyo ako and i-unbox natin kung ano-ano ang laman ni ating Haylou Smartwatch. Naggaling kay Lazada. Here it goes. Actually, in-order ko siya nung Feb 27 and then yeah, after 2 days saka siya dumating. So mabilis naman siya. Yung background ko is a walkthrough ng video game na yung current na nilalaro ko, si Bloodborne. Then pinili ko lang kasi nahihirapan akong laruin, sa totoo lang, si Bloodborne. Bagong bili ko lang siya na game. Segue tayo. Eto guys, if you're a PS4 gamer or something, bilhin nyo to, napakahirap. Nasa umpisa pa lang ako, hindi ko na malagpasan yung mga ibang kalaban dyan, reset. Pero yeah, maganda siyang game. Magandang reviews niya. So, tuloy natin dito. Si Haylou Smartwatch. Kumusta guys? Kumusta ang ating pandemic? I heard parang hindi na kailangan nata ng mga travel pass tsaka headset pag lalabas ka or mag beach or mag-visit ka na ibang lugar like Baguio or something or Subic, which is really good kasi galang-gala na ako guys. Kayo ba? Saan nyo balak pumunta? Ngayong okay na ulit yung ating... Ay, tama. Sorry. Ang dami kong daldal. Well packed naman siya ng bubble wrap. So, malamang sa malamang safe yung product sa loob. Yan. Makapal yung bubble wrap niya. Yan, makapal. Nagunting ko na. Sorry guys. Ayan, makapal. Parang 3 patong ata. Or something. Pero yeah, let's continue to cut this out. And let's see kung ano naman niya. And then... First things first, ang unang lumabas is yung free strap na white. May kasamang free strap na white. And then I think this is the screen protector. Yeah, I think it's the screen protector. You can see it there. Yeah, screen protector. So, yeah. Which is a really good freebie kasi maano ako sa relo. Lahat ng relo ko may gas-gas yung ibabaw. Napaka-clumsy. Hindi marunong mag-ingat ng gamit. Set that aside. So here it goes. The Haylou Solae. Ayan. Haylou. The Haylou Solae. So, maganda naman yung reviews niya so far eh. So I decided to get one na rin since mura naman siya kaysa bumili ako ng yun, Apple Watch. Napakamahal na 24,000. Hindi ko naman ako kamahal guys. Kayo ba? Practical yun ba yung katulad ko na okay na sa ganito, hindi sobrang mahal. Comment guys kung nag-agree kayo sa akin na dapat huwag masyadong gumastos at lalo na ngayon super hirap, pandemic. So yeah, let's try to peel this off na. And let's see what's inside. What's inside aside from the watch itself. Right. Yun nga lang, hindi siya yung alam mo yun, yung mga ibang boxes parang pag peel off mo ang dali lang buksan. Like this di ba yung mga boxes ng Mac, ang boxes ng iPhone, parang pag ganun mo lang peel off na yung plastic niya. So it says here sa box, metal body, meron siyang 12 sport modes, size sleep management, I don't know what that is, parang sleep time management or something, all day heart rate monitor, which is nice, 30 days standby, and then TFT HD touchscreen. Ano yung TFT guys? Let me know sa comment box. Yeah. Battery capacity is 340 milliamperes. Charging voltage is 5 volts. And then water and dust proof na rin siya. Bluetooth 5.0 version. And ang size is 45.3 by 11.4 mm. Battery type is light ion. And the model is Haylou LS05-1, which is, I think, ito. Ayan. So may screen protector. Buksan na natin to. Ano ba to? Diba screen protector to? Let's see what's inside. Sirahin ko na. Ayan. Yeah, it's the screen protector. Screen protector na bilog, siyempre. Bilog siya. Okay. So, yeah, madali lang naman. Isa, you just have to push. Yeah. And then, there. Tada! So, yeah. Ito siya guys. I hope you can see it like clear or yung buo, yung pabuuan niya. So, this is the watch. As you can see, there it has the black strap. So, yeah, it's actually nice packaging. Kung nag-agree kayo sa akin, it's actually nice and para siya talagang pwedeng pang regalo or something sa price niya. And yeah, let's see. The watch itself. Manual. User manual. Siyempre lahat naman ng gadgets kailangan may manual. It also has this warranty card. Andito na rin yung warranty card. If you can see it. There. It says there, warranty card. And then how to wear, how to link. Ayan. May QR code. Madali siyang i-connect sa phone mo. And then, yeah, how to use, etc. Dito naman na lahat. So, everything is in English naman. So, yeah. Everything is in English. So, functions. Dito mas maraming details yung functions. Yun nga, 12 sport modes like jogging, hiking, biking, climbing, spinning, indoor running, yoga, gym, free training, basketball, football, and boating. And then 24-hour heart rate monitoring keeps making records. It tracks your sleep time and status. Oh, so yun yung yung sinasabi niyang size sleep management. It tracks your sleep time and status. And then you may check the coming 3 days weather and real-time temperature. May real-time temperature. So you can use it also as a remote music control sa phone. And then it helps you adjust breath and relax yourself. I don't know how. And then accuracy is up to 2 decimal places. A full screen timer. You can open, set, check, and close the alarm clock. And then, sit too long, it's time to get on your knees. Okay. Maganda to. Kasi pag nasa, currently work from tayo, madalas nakaupo lang. So, this can help you, tayo-tayo muna or something para ma-relax yung katawan mo. Kasi minsan, nakakalimutan tumayo-tayo pag busy sa work. So, I need this talaga. Kasi most of the time, halos 4 hours, 5 hours ako nakaupo. Minsan nalilipasan ako ng gutom dahil sa work. So this is really a good purchase for me. So another one is the USB cable, charger, whatsoever. So yeah, it has this pin, USB Type-C, yung tulo, I don't know. Tama ba yung terms ko or whatsoever. So, yan. Medyo maikli siya, pero it's okay. And so, what else is in the box? Guys, wala na. Wala na laman. So, that's all. Yan yung mga laman niya. And then, let's try to turn it on para makita nyo rin, guys, kung ano yung lalabas pag binuksan natin siya. So, let's keep these things inside muna para neat yung table natin, malinis. Tingnan habang nag-walk na tayo. Yan, set aside. So, try natin yung fitting. Medyo maliit lang naman yung wrist ko. So, let's try yung fitting sa braso ko, yung wrist sa wrist. So, yeah. It's a bit small para sa akin kasi mas gusto ko yung malalaking relo or something. Pero it's okay. It's not that small, it's not that big, sakto. Like in the middle lang yung size na for me. Kasi mas prefer ko yung mas medyo malalaki, bulky watches. So, yeah. So, how to turn these on? Let's remove this muna. Oh yeah. So, ito siguro yung sa likod niya, yung pang monitor ng heart rate or something. Ayan, para I hope nakikita nyo. Lapit ko ng konti para at least you can see it clearly. I hope nagpo-focus din siya kasi baka ulitin ko ng video na to. It says here 22mm and then ito yung charging pins. Mamaya na. Pero alam niyo naman na siguro kung saan kakabit. So sobrang madali lang siya. I mean self-explanatory, ano na lang siya. Malalaman mo naman kagad kung saan. It's just a watch or yeah. So I think this is how to turn it on. I don't know if it has a pre-charge. Ayan. Nagbe-blink and then it has QR na lumabas. So, saan ko? Try natin i-connect para tuloy-tuloy tayo. Saan na siya? So, scanning the QR code. Ay, lumabas yung mukha ko naka-selfie. Gulat ako doon. Okay, tap. So after scanning the QR code, dito siya dumiretso. Ayan. Haylou, Google Play, Haylou Fit, etc. So ayan, dyan siya dumiretso. So Haylou Fit, Google Play. Ayan. I-diretso ko niya kagad kayo sa Google Play para ma-download nyo agad yung app. And Haylou Fit, Chinese nga lang, so let's read some of the ratings here, yung mga reviews. Let's read lang a few. Medyo ang baba ng ratings. Merong 3 star lang, 2 star, meron pang 1 star lang. Pero the app is quite good. It lacks about UI experience. Siguro yung user interface niya. Medyo kulang. Malalaman natin yan pag binukat-kat natin yung yung smartwatch. Especially when it comes to the sports sites. Personally, I prefer to have more user-friendly general view. Baka medyo complicated or complex yung user interface nito. Pero let's see kung tama nga yung nirereklamo nitong reviewer na to. So, in-next ko na lang muna siya. After ko ni-next, ito siya lumabas. Yan. Yan yung lumabas. I think mas maganda kung mismong kamay ko, ano? Tingnan nyo guys, para at least hindi ko lang ginagawa ng ganun. I'll be back guys para mas okay yung ating view ng pag-check natin ng smartwatch para mas makita niya maigi. I'll be back in a few minutes para i-set up ko yung tripod natin na para ano, mas okay yung view. So hey guys, I'm back. Na set up na natin ito ang ating tripod para mas madali or mas malinaw yung makita yung pag-setup natin ng Haylou Solae Smartwatch, yung pag-setup natin. So after scanning nga yung QR code kanina, we've downloaded na, i-diretso na kayo sa Google Play or iOS Play, may options kagad doon na lalabas. And then after downloading it, ito na yung mismong home screen ng Haylou Fit app. So I don't have an account yet, so we'll sign up using Facebook. Agree. And yes, hindi siya nagtuloy. Let's wait for it to continue. So ito na, continuous tone loading. Let's wait para real time tayo or diretso lang, raw video lang lagi ako, so walang tayo mag-edit ng fancy transition or whatsoever guys. Sorry, maybe if I have lots of time, pag full time kong ginagawa to, maybe matutukan natin yung tawag dito, magandang editing ng ating videos. So yep, matagal siya. Let's pause this for a while and I'll be back again. Tapusin ko muna yung loading nito. So ito na yung next page nung ating setup using our Facebook account. Go to set and then Haylou Fit installed. So yeah, test there. Current phone, go to setting. Yeah, we could set as default. Battery use 0% since last fully charged. Yeah, yung settings, current settings niya, pinapakita lang niya dito. So yes. So next, you can see here next. And then yeah, gender. And then okay. Ignore muna natin for the meantime. And then allow only while using the app. Allow Bluetooth. Oh, I haven't turned on. Oh, my Bluetooth is turned on. And then select a device. Searching a device. It says here, then please bring the device closer to the ano. So ito, Haylou Solae, andyan din yung ano niya, MAC address niya. It's showing us its ano, MAC address ng smartwatch. Please confirm on the device interface. Yes, ito. Okay. Connected successfully. So it says here said pwede mo rin siyang i-unbind or i-disconnect sa smartwatch kung ayaw may connect sa phone. So a new firmware version has been detected. So go ahead and upgrade. So sa kanan muna, ito muna tayo sa setup para makita nyo guys. So we can see here yung modes niya. Naka-turn on si heart rate monitoring, si raise hand to activate display, yung iba naka-turned off. So let's check the universal settings. So nakalagay unit, on screen time, time system, 24 hour. Ayoko ng 24 hour, hindi ako sanay. So military time, hindi ako sanay sa military time. 12 hour system tayo. And then clear data, firmware update, call reminder, SMS reminder, smart alarm. Saka na siguro natin yan i-turn on. Basta more on focus muna tayo sa ating setting up. Kayo nang bahala next time pag if you decided guys na bumili din just like me, kung ano yung mga settings na iti-turn on nyo or whatsoever. And yan, nandito tayo sa sports tab, and it's showing us yung kilometer walking, kung ilang kilometers na yung na walk mo, and then the BPM, beat per minute. Is that per minute? Please correct me guys kung tama yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito. And then it's showing us the GPS din, and its signal, and nasa running tayo. Walking pala yung kanina, and then this one is the running, outdoors, riding sa car or whatever, pwedeng sa horse or something. So yeah, yan ang makikita natin dyan. And then settings, yeah, pwede mo i-disable yung distance, duration, saka heart rate dun mismo sa kung ano yung lalabas dito, kung anong gusto mo lumabas dyan. And then target, yan, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng target distance. And then kung ilang minutes mo gustong matarget yung distance na sinet mo. Heat, this is yung kung ilang calorie yung nabawas mo. And then yes, start exercising. So yeah, let's check the home. Ito na yung pinaka dashboard nya, yung steps, target steps. Nakaset up siya sa default na target 8,000 target step. And then heart rate recording and sleep record. And then sa me, yung account mo mismo, you can maybe put your name, whatsoever, gender, age, height, weight. I think this one, kailangan mong lagyan tong height at saka weight kasi para bigyan kanya ng data yung mga sa mga ginagawa mo, like walking, kasi alam niyo na yun guys. Yung sa tracking ng kung ano yung mga activities na ginawa nyo, this height and weight is needed na ma-set up nyo para medyo accurate yung kalalabasan ng data na ibibigay sa inyo sa dashboard nitong app. So yeah, what else? Settings, feedback, privacy policy, user agreement, about, lag out, what else? So yeah, that's it. Andito yung kung gaano kainit ngayong araw na to, March 2. Sabagay guys, nga pala March 3 pala is Lazada sale. Hindi ko na naantay, baka mas mura pa to. Mas mura ko pa to, sana mabibili if ever kung sa March 3 ako bibili or bukas ako bibili kasi March 2 today. So excited lang. So yes, what's this? Heart rate, sleep rate, project management tool. What's this? No, wala. And yeah, that's it. And then let's go sa device mismo. So it says here also yung battery niya 61% na lang siya. Yung pre-charge niya is 61%. So yeah, let's go back naman sa mismong relo. Yan, 810. Is it 810? Tama, 810. So nandyan mismo yung default setting niya, which is yung heart rate, heat, yung calorie, yung walk, yung GPS, I think, yung date, and then kung gaano kalamig or kainit today, yung weather today. Yun lang, dapat you have to just you need to press this para makita yung screen. And then meron din siyang 5 seconds I think screen time. Ayan, ulitin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Medyo mabilis siguro yung counting ko. Basta 5 seconds yung screen time off niya. And then, yeah, pag pababa, you can check, change or go to the settings. And yan. And then, pag balik mo sa taas, pag pa-right naman to left, makikita mo yung ano. Pagpabalik, take a break. Ito yung ano, gusto mong, kailangan mo munang tumayo-tayo pag sobrahan ka na ng upo. Pagpataas, stats. Oh, ito yung music setting. Okay. Paano natin siya pabalikin? Ayun. More. Meron siyang stopwatch, countdown, find phone, breath training. Sorry na. Breath training. Yan. So, that's basically it. Medyo, para sa akin, user-friendly naman. What do you think, guys? Sabi kasi sa review, medyo hindi daw siya user-friendly or whatsoever. Parang mas gusto kong palitan yung screen time. Parang bilis. Screen time. Saan nga ba yun? Screen time. Screen time. Universal setting. Ayun. Tama, 5 seconds nga. So, gawin natin 10 seconds. Ayan. Alright. Nabibilisan ako sa 5 seconds eh. British system. So, yeah. Siguro nakulangan lang siguro yung ibang tao. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano palitan to. I mean, ayan pala, yung bawat ano, if you can, continue, ito yung light sleep, deep sleep, yan, yung weather. It has its own, dashboard pag i-ganon mo. Yan. Pag left to right naman. Ano yung mga papakita niya. Ganun din, same. And then, pag top, pababa, ano yung mga ipapakita niya. Yun lang. Watch face, ayun. Baka pwede natin palitan ng watch face. Anong gusto niyo guys? Yung analog o digital? I think, mag-analog tayo. Matiting. Parang pangit, parang, I don't know. Wala akong kulang. Yun lang. Ito medyo sobrang basic naman nun. Siguro I don't know, baka may mga nada-download na mga face or theme or whatsoever. Hindi ko pa siya na-check eh kung may mga ganun siya. So, yeah. So far, yan pa lang naman yung ating nakikita. And then I'll let you know guys after 1 month or 2 months again para i-update ko kayo kung ano na nangyari dito sa ating Haylou Smartwatch, kung gumagana pa rin ba siya after 1 month or 2 months. So yeah, that's it guys. And wait lang, meron pa pala akong saglit i-announce I think. Dalawa or announcement ko, pero yeah, be back in a sec. Set up ko ulit sa dating angle. So, what do you think guys? Is it a good buy? Is it a yes or a no for you? Pero ang verdict ko sa akin, it's a yes for me, I think. For its price, okay naman siya sa akin. And yun nga lang, malalaman natin after 1 month or 2 months kung gumagana pa rin siya, kung gaano siya tatagal. And I'll let you know guys after that span of time. And then yes, yung announcement ko pala, yung last time na nagpa-giveaway ako, hindi na ano, hindi clean nung nanalo itong Sports HD DV na mini DV camera. Hindi niya clean, hindi siya nag-email sa akin ng details kung saan ko i-ship itong mini DV. It's like a small toy, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa kahit saan or whatsoever. Yeah, kung nanonood ka, go back dun sa video natin ng giveaway and then message me, email me pala. I'll give you a week to email me, and after that, pag hindi ka pa nag-email, I'll set up again for, you know, a relief para i-giveaway natin tong ano, bigyan natin sa iba na may gusto. And then another thing, watch out guys, after 1 week, yung pinangako ko na ano na controller, I will be giving this away. Itong OEM PS4 controller. Na-mention ko before na sa Feb ko siya papag-giveaway, pero ano na ngayon, March na. Sorry guys kasi sobrang na-busy lang ako the past weeks sa work, so let's push this for the giveaway. Bali dalawa if hindi claim nung nanalo yung itong ating mini DV, tsaka ito, pangalawa. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo nating content today na sobrang tagal bago mag-upload. And I hope everyone is safe. Keep safe, wear a mask, a face shield all the time, and alcohol. And then wag masyadong, kung lalabas ng bahay, wag pupunta sa matao, sa crowded places, social distancing, and then iwas mo ng mga bata lumabas kasi medyo hindi pa ganun ka-safe. Though meron ng vaccine for COVID, and then let's see in the coming days kung magiging okay na tayo. Hopefully magiging positive tayo. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, leave a comment on the description box or comment box below. So yeah, anything that you want to say, negative, positive about this video, you can tell it all. So yeah, thank you guys and have a good day everyone. Bye bye.